Hi guys, this video is why pyramid. You would have observed that pyramid is a recurring theme in my videos and articles. I am not concerned with the geometrical shape of pyramid or some mystical powers of the shape of pyramid as claimed by some. I am using pyramid as a concept, and I am fascinated by three aspects of pyramid because these aspects play out in our everyday life. Number one, pyramid is growth oriented. Look around you. There is a mad scramble to do better, to overtake the other, and to reach to the top. In every human activity and in distribution of every resource, whether it is money, intelligence, education, success or power, the distribution and competition always gets organized in a pyramid. Most people are at the bottom. The bottom levels are very crowded. As you do better and better, you go up. With every level of growth, you go higher and higher up the pyramid, which gets smaller and smaller. Pyramid is an existential reality that operates in all dimensions of our life. If you want to do well in any field, you have to be in the top 2%. And if you get to the top 1%, you belong to an exclusive club. Number two, pyramid is a mathematical and statistical reality. Is a graphic representation of a mathematical and statistical fact which you can see around everywhere. Resources are very limited and distribution is not equitable. The competition in every human activity and in the distribution of every resource ensures that very few people at the top always have more resources than the masses. The people at the top always have much higher levels of income and growth compared to the masses. 26 richest people on earth in 2018 had the same wealth as 50% of the poorest half of the world's population, which is some 3.8 billion people. That is 380 crore people. This is represented in a graphic here. The distribution does not look like the top pyramid, nor does it look like the lower pyramid. Actually, if it is drawn, it will not fit on any paper or on any screen. If the green line on top is only 2 inches or 5 centimeters, the lower red line, which represents the 3.8 billion people, will be 7,307 kilometers. Another interesting statistics is the wealth of these 26 people grew by 12% last year, even as the poorest half saw their wealth fall by 11%. Apex meditation trains you to grow to the top by challenging your conditioning-driven perspectives, reprogramming your brain, and ensuring that you operate at higher levels of intelligence, strength, and wealth. Finally, the spiritual aspects of pyramid. Pyramid means fire in the center or fire within. The Greek word pyr means fire or light, and mid means center. All have a burning desire for growth, though it may relate to different aspects, intellectual, financial or spiritual. This is a raging fire which is the prime cause of all the development and evolution that happen both at an individual level and for civilizations. This is what differentiates us from animals. Without this desire for growth, we are almost like zombies, driven by instincts and our conditioning, and accepting whatever scraps life throws at us, and what is worse, we celebrate it as results of our intelligence. Apex is the top of the pyramid. Whether it is self-actualization in Maslow's hierarchy of needs, or whether it is Sahasrara Chakra in Kundalini, or whether it is Samadhi in Yoga, or whether it is reaching your potential, or whether it is getting to the top.